What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Yanna Simone, and I'm back with another video, as you can see. Y'all know what it is. Y'all read the title. It's another hair video. I know. Calm down. But okay, go ahead and subscribe now, because after you watch this video, you're gonna want to come back. Like, you're not gonna watch this video and be like, oh no, I'm never watching one of her videos again. You're gonna want to come back, I promise you. So go ahead and subscribe now, get it out the way, and join the team. And if you watch any of my videos and don't subscribe, that's weird. That's nasty. That's disgusting. Do better, okay? Do better, because that's just... But if you are subscribed or you subscribe after this video, I love you. And I hope you love me back. Ignore the finger. Got little burns. If y'all see this band-aid, because I be talking with my hands sometimes, ignore it. But, y'all, so listen at this. So y'all know whenever I do a hair video, normally I come on here and I'm already looking crazy. The hair looks a mess. Well, I mean, the hair don't look a mess. It's just not styled. And the lace kind of be lifted sometimes. Well, today's a different day. I already have the hair on for the video. But this is a couple days later. All right? Please watch the video. Just watch the video. Just watch the video. But I lost the clip of me doing my intro and showing y'all the hair and everything. I don't know where in the world it went. Because y'all know with me, it's always something. It's always something. Hence why I have this band-aid on my finger, because my finger is burnt. But that's another story for another day. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all about this hair. And if y'all still want to see how I got this look, which I hope you do. I hope you're feeling me like that still. That you watch the video. Go ahead. Keep watching. It is from Ayiyi. I really hope I'm saying that right. It's from Ayiyi hair. And so in the box, it came with some wig caps. I already used one of the wig caps, guys. Sorry about that. It came with some lashes. The lashes are real cute. And then also, let me show you what's in here. We've got like this little headband thing. I never took it out, so we can take it out this time since, starting over. But it's like a little scarf for the lace, like right here. It's really cute. This is like really cute. Like, I want to go on a trip and just wear this the whole trip. Okay? Like, that's how cute it is. And then it also came with a brush. I didn't use the brush. I used my old brush. So, it's still in the paper, still in the bag, everything. But, it came with a cute little brush. And then the hair itself is 24 inches. It's really cute. Nice curl pattern. You guys will see that when the video actually starts. Me doing my hair, because y'all gonna see what it look like straight out the pack. Straight out the pack. But yes, this is the hair, 24 inches. Love it. It has clips. It is a full lace. I mean, not full lace. I lied. It's a lace front. So just, lace in the front. It's lace fronts. It's got good parting space. Y'all see it. It was pre-plucked. I didn't pluck anything. Y'all gonna see. I barely ever pluck. Like, I barely ever pluck. So that's how you know the companies, they stepping up their game. But yeah, if y'all want to keep, watching and see how I got this look, got this hair to look like this, see all the business, keep watching, okay? Know what you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, and what you do, that's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm cheese, beach view, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. This is the hair, and let me tell y'all something. So it's actually like 2 days later because I never finished filming the end because I really had somewhere to go and I was about to be late. So this is the hair after 2 days, after I, brushed it out, wet the whole thing, detangled it. Them curls was popping, but this right here, this is the look I like. Like, you can see the curls, but, like, it's kind of, like, it's worn curls. You know what I'm saying? Like, the curls are kind of worn. You feel me? Like, they're not super defined, and that's the look I like, because it looks so natural. Like, I've had people ask me if this is my real hair. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. But this is the hair. Let me show you. Hold up. Look at that. Hold up. Because y'all can't tell me it's not growing out my scalp. Look. Out the scalp. Out the scalp. And then, the slay on the lace, You know what it is. So, yeah, everyone, they out here thinking it's my real hair, baby. Nope. This is Ayiyi hair. Yeah. So, I love this hair. Like, I love this hair right here. It's giving the girls very much natural. Scalp. This is 24 inches and 180% density. I think, I'm not 100% sure right now, but if I'm wrong, it'll be corrected in the description box, okay? Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, go ahead and like. And if you think the video cute, you think I'm cute, you think the hair cute, drop a comment. Drop a comment, baby. I'm here for it. We're going to reply. I'm going to reply, okay? Okay. So, yeah. And hold on, I almost forgot to tell you to subscribe. If you didn't already do that. If you didn't already subscribe, you know what to do. You know what to do, okay? If you do subscribe, I love you so much. If you don't subscribe, you're weird, but it's fine. It's fine, to each his own. To each his own. But if you really watch this whole video and don't subscribe, or watch any of my videos and don't subscribe, that's weird. That's it for this video, okay? So I better see you in my next one. Love you so much, and goodbye. Mwah.